Welcome to this explainer. Let's transform AI from a simple tool into your very own autonomous digital workforce.
Be honest, are you still manually typing prompts and just waiting around? Time to upgrade that old system.
That constant prompting, that's the old era of tools. The real shift happening right now is the workforce era. Early adopters are deploying autonomous operators instead. It's a massive, permanent advantage for execution speed and slashing costs.
So what exactly is an AI agent? It understands your instructions, makes decisions, and then takes action autonomously.
Here's the deal. Chatbots just generate text. True AI agents actually operate across all your different business systems.
If you only remember one thing today, make it this. A chatbot responds, but an AI agent executes.
Think of models from OpenAI or Anthropic as the brilliant brains, and the AI agent as your tireless worker.
Together, they create a powerful execution engine. These agents crush complex, multi-step tasks without needing your constant supervision.
The engine runs in 4 steps: getting input, reasoning a plan, using external tools, and delivering the action.
So how does this look in reality? Let's check out some real-world, beginner-level deployments you can use now. You can deploy agents right now to automate emails, qualify sales leads, run market research, and track finances.
To get there, stop looking at manual, chaotic tasks. You need to shift your mindset to building automated systems.
Just identify the repetitive grind, define your clear outcomes, set firm boundaries, connect your tools, and monitor it.
Because agents access your actual data, having ironclad security and strict human oversight isn't just optional, it's absolutely crucial.
Always prevent data leaks by strictly limiting permissions, using secure platforms, and acting as the final human overseer.
Economically, this is a total game changer. One AI agent hands you the exponential output of an entire team.
You'll analyze deals at lightning speed and scale operations massively, without the usual skyrocketing costs of human labor.
This is exactly why the CPIN platform gives members exclusive access to purpose-built, secure AI agents for wealth building.
So, will you stay trapped in the manual era or finally claim your autonomous digital empire today?